how to install Airalo ESIM on iPhone. So you want to load up the app, and here if you have an eSIM ready, so you want to go into my eSIMs at the bottom. So let's say that we want to install this eSIM, so click on it, and then you will need to select view instructions. So right here, once you click on view instructions, it's going to show you the instructions, and you want to go through them twice. After you have gone through them twice, it's going to look a little something like this. Go to cellular data, then select recently downloaded eSIM on your device. You just want to click on install eSIM. And just like that, it's going to give us the instructions. Activate, choose a label. So you will do, okay, so wait, let me go back. Okay, so activate your eSIM. You will tap on continue twice and wait for a while. Your eSIM will connect to the network. This may take a few minutes, then tap done. Make sure your device has a stable connection before installing your eSIM. You will then choose a label for your new eSIM plan. To pick one of the suggestion labels, you can pick one of the suggested labels like travel, and then you will just choose default lines. Now, once you click on install eSIM, we need to do it twice, like I said, and just go through the prompts, and you can do it that way, or you can do the QR code method. You will just open up your settings here on your iPhone, search for eSIM like that, and you will click on add eSIM. And right here, if you click on add eSIM, you can use the QR code. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.